it's Keith, the guy with the tie at Longwood Technologies. And today I'm here to talk to you about scheduling software for field service technicians. I like to describe it as so easy, your kids could do it. So let me give you a quick demo of this in action. So let's get started with taking a simple call. So a call comes in, phone rings, you answer it. Hi, I'm having trouble with my furnace. It's cold out and I need it fixed. Okay, so we are going to go into the appointment wizard and we can very quickly start putting in information. While the phone call comes in, we might type in their phone number. Say it comes up on our caller ID. We can look up a phone number and hit search or hit enter. We'll do the search. Or you might not have that information yet. You might wait for them to tell you their name. And they give you Larry Malone. And they just might type in their last name. Or they can give you the address. What is the street address? It's 3714 West Cermak. And so if I put in the street number, Cermak. Alright, so is this Larry? Yes. So you can do any of those searches. And then we can go ahead and schedule an appointment now. So I can create an appointment now, or I can create a task for someone else to schedule later. Typically I recommend go ahead and schedule it now because the system is going to make it so easy, you might as well. So you hit next. Now the first thing you can see here is that it opened the calendar, and probably what we want to do is we ask the customer, do they have a boiler or a furnace? So you can make sure you got people in the right department looking. So here we are, they've said it's a furnace. So now these technicians can work on furnaces. Now maybe all your guys can work on all of them, but if you've got specific guys in certain departments, you can define those departments. So I tell it furnace, and then it's already filled in Larry's name in here, and all we're doing is hit search. And it is coming back with the recommendations to when we are going to be closest to that customer. Now, in this case, we can see we're going to be closest on the 21st at 3 miles away, but this is a no heat situation. So we probably want to move it over to today specifically and see what, if anything, is close. Well, I can see that there are 2 times that are going to be close. 4.8 miles and 9.12 miles. So those are yellow. So I asked the customer, would this work? And I can look here at 1:30, or I can book them just after here, one of these appointments, maybe at that 3:30 time. Customer says, yeah, that would work. Well, now it's up to me to choose which one do I want to send there. I'd rather send my guy Jim, I can see his name up here on truck 7. I'd rather send him because he's only going to be 4.8 miles away than sending Jay across 9 miles, since I can put either one. And the customer, Larry, says, yeah, 3:30 would work good. So I'll go ahead and click here and open it right up. Open on my other screen, just slide it over. And you can see that his name is already in here. It's all preloaded. It's got it set for Jim. I'm going to switch this from the 1:30 to the 3:30. Just because I saw it there that I'd rather him go at 3:30. I thought that's a better time. I could also drag and drop later. But for now, I'm going to say that's a no heat. Furnace made a funny sound, maybe. Or a grinding sound, or I don't know, something that the customer is telling you, of course. Making a grinding sound. I can select the phone number for the customer and see if there's any other information the customer needs to share with me. Maybe there's notes about a dog or a gate or a code or something, or some of that nature, and all of which you can put in here. We close the appointment, save it. It puts it onto here at 3:30, and in the next couple of minutes Jim will see this appointment loaded up to his device to say at 3:30 he's supposed to go to Larry Malone. It'll have the address. It can be clicked to Google maps and give them turn-by-turn directions how to get there. They're ready to go out, service the call. From the phone call to the service tech with GPS navigation, it's all there. As I said, so easy your kids could do it.